My brother, they say now you transfer 1.6 million naira give Davido, and you they owe somebody money. Ha. So the person don't see the video now. You don't come out. You say, bro, you get mind. You they owe me money. You still get heart. You go transfer 1.6 to Davido. But meanwhile, for now, we no go just agree because they use one person talk, they judge case. You need to hear from the both parties. But if not true, guy, you need to pay this guy because say for you to transfer 1.6, means the guy you day where. You don't day where. So pay. More they treat ourselves right. Yes, I know say yes, you show love to the celebrity where you like. Be so the love to celebrity where you love. Oh, correct. All of us will love the video. You get the point because now seed for your mind now you don't so seed abi. Not true now seed if the video remember you, your life done better. You they use money, they find money now so. Because again they say wait till you give your fellow man and no be now keep for me. If you ask, the person go give you times 2. That is if the fellow man remember again. Oh. But hope say you they do this thing come out from house. Charity begins at home. Hope say you they do this thing like your pile and mille. You they give them 1 million too. If not, brother, if you know they do one from the house, come out to come do this the way you do so. Brother, all of us love the video. You did the for Calisti give a 1 million. Mr. Easy 1 million. You don't get money past these people, though. Then they will pass you, but they give them. But you now will be from the street 1.6. You want surpass history. You know you love and pass, correct? If your father, if the trace go house, your father see they wear rag, your mother see they wear drag. My brother, leave it big. Enjoy the cash. Money go bring at www.hustle.com. Give to Male before you give. Obianuju no be only woman, no brother. Obianuji no be only woman. That guy mean there. Give to Male before you give. Obianuju Male no be only mother plus father because no abandon your father. Your father cannot be walking to farm with the barefooted and you're giving Davido 1.6 million. Brother, do you know that when they tell you that the thing that kill a dog very fast is not that the dog eat poison. It's what kill a dog fast is that the name that you give that dog. A dog that is supposed to answer bingo. From the back end, you hear nya, nya, nya. You carry name like Jack. Give that dog. That dog is going to die because of the name. You give that dog Bruno. You give that dog Mark, Jack Fish, Tiger. That dog is going to die because he's what? That dog, the back end, from the back end, it is bingo. But you now, because of big name, you give the dog Jack, the dog is finished. Hope say you they give me left for us. Because you they show love now, be. But if you set for Dubai now, Mile go they call Papa, Mama, everybody. Davido no go remember you. But if remember you, Oshe gone Twale. Hey, your life done better now. See you so. I know they lie. Because if I begin to if they begin to they two things, say Dubai head they wacko. Small time don't begin to fly fence every corner. Men don't fuck up. Police don't they chase people everywhere. The video no go. You know what call the video may talk about it too. You get the point. Now people page you when they go, they send the clip. Sister talk about this happening in Dubai now. And there's some people they use them shut their page down because some content might be violent and the page Facebook bring it down. The person has lost for your sake, but it was the video 1.6. Correct. Or she go I hail you Twale. You get the point now. They give you lyrics, maybe they feel the vibe. Because if the trace go your house now, bag of rice no the day house every month. And be say, guy, what you do so that illiteracy they call her. Illiteracy is not that you went to school, like you don't know book, no. The inability to use your brain, it is called illiteracy. You get the point. You cannot take 1 seed of rice and put in a bag of rice. The video is a bag of rice and you're putting 1 seed there. How can that 1 seed be recognized? Oh, she go. You go and give Elon Musk 1 million naira and ask if he saw the money. He don't know because his account balance out of range. You get the point? But it's good to show love, bro. But I hope that they show this love from the house. You they show your street boys love. You they show your OG love. You they show your family love. Because if not, brother, what you just did now, it is called a beautiful nonsense. It is a beautiful nonsense. Yes, Davido, na celebrity, contact with the phone too much. If you don't remember what he save your name with, number 1. Number 2, you call him, he give you your number, you call him, manager say, don't call this number again. Brother, you know get who you go talk to. You the last. You get the point, you did well. Uh, Number three, Davido, remember your life have changed. You know the story. But the problem is this: will you meet Davido again? I don't know if you meet him again because you never, no, be you break record. Though people they will give her 5 million that day. You should say you know even try, you know do well, but you try your best as a street man. But your street is empty. Your street is hungry, needed money. But you come out here and say the government, my brother, you are the government problem, not the government. You don't pay tax. Have you paid the tax? They will use my tax to feed you. You see the problem, but you use your own to feed the video. Or she gone, twirl when I get sense. Me are the wise, me they do this thing right. A common man like you. You're a common man from the street. You forget the common man to feed the wealthy man. Correct. Love, out of love. They say this one not fall out. Royal Madrid. Royal Madrid now should be now. You know, say we get Ala Madrid, we get Royal Madrid, and we get Niger Madrid. But this one are Royal Madrid. We be Niger Madrid. We be Niger Madrid. He say, man, for Davido to come out, they beg for 1 million to beg for money. Be like, it means say in crew, like in follower, I mean in crew, they very very ungrateful. In team, they ungrateful. Now what does she mean? So she no stop there, oh. She can't go further, say, she no be billionaire, oh, but she no say, man, 1 meter. She call her 1 meter. This girl gets one go, 1 meter. Now chicken change for where she day. Man, I know say, as I just talk this thing now, 1 meter na chicken change. When I begin to check where they post this video from. Now from, no be Colorado, when I know they talk say this thing, they post am from, they say na create mode. Create mode. It was from a create mode. Because as soon as I hear 1 million a chicken change for the same person where the video say call me. Call me. Cynthia Morgan. I have a verse for you. You understand me now? The girl go for the place, they cry, tears of joy. Come out now. Even go do live video, they cry, say, David don't they pick a call. And she still come out now, say 1 million a chicken change for her. You know, say situation can change anytime. So I know say for now, some of them hear that thing with the verse, so now we'll go check. No be Colorado. The post was not from side of Colorado, it's from create mode from Instagram. I don't know when Instagram begin to insert create mode, but now from Instagram. So now so the thing can be. She go far, say, because they do music together, your artist will be mates. Man, this guy, I don't even know what it is. This guy, I begin to check that create mode. It should also be the editor. He say because they do music together, it means everybody na mate. What did they happen here? Una poor, they hungry, una too poor. She don't hammer. Cynthia Morgan, the Niger Madrid, because she be Niger Madrid, and Niger she dey stay. She don't chop stone. So he said the video in crew poor, they ungrateful, they not supposed to allow the video come outside, they beg for money. So for her, the video they beg for money, na disgrace to her. Say 1 million a small change for where she did. But must remind you now again, the post was not from Colorado, it was from create mode. And they post them from. Because this one shocked me. Oh. The same person, the way they cry, say, David don't do the picking call. We go for the post where the video say, call me, begin to celebrate, they cry, oh, tears of joy. I see and there. Now I come outside now say, they no hope money, they be poor people. Although, they even know they answer this kind of people. I know say now, this post, I think I need to check the actual place where they post them from. Because this thing, I'm not sure that creative mode be this. This thing must be from Colorado. It's from Colorado, honestly.